How do I create a comma-separated list from multiple items in Angular? In my Angular application, I'm trying to create a comma-separated list of values I've got from my API response. The API response looks like this. Some relation is nested, so I created an interface for this logic to work. Add my HTML template. I now do this, which returns the following output. Instead of multiple lines outputted, I would like to have it this way. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. How can this be accomplished? You can do it like this. Change div for span, so it does not put each item in a new line. Add comma only if it's not the last item. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.